Hello guys, how are you doing today? Hope you're having an amazing day today. I just want to thank you so much for always watching my videos. And in today's video, I'll be talking about top amazing braids hairstyle with snake and crochet designs. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you're new here, please also like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Braided hairstyles are timeless and versatile, with unique design like snake and crochet braids becoming increasingly popular. These styles combine creativity and boldness, making them perfect for women who want to stand out. Here's a look at some of the top amazing braids with snake and crochet designs. Snake braids are a stunning twist on traditional braids, featuring a wavy, serpentine pattern that resembles a snake's motion. This edge style can be worn as a single braid, in a ponytail, or incorporated into more elaborate hairstyles, making it suitable for both casual and formal settings. Snake braid ponytail combine this intricate braid with the sleekness of a ponytail, creating a dynamic look perfect for parties and night outs. Crochet braids are another popular choice, offering protective styles that are easy to install and maintain. Crochet box braids use a crochet hook to loop braided hair extensions into natural hair, resulting in a neat and uniform appearance. These braids come in various lengths and textures, allowing for endless customization. Crochet Senegalese twists provide a refined rope-like look that's lightweight and versatile, suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Crochet fox locks mimic the look of dreadlocks without the long-term commitment. They offer a textured, voluminous appearance that's both bold and bohemian, perfect for those seeking a free-spirited style. Crochet passion twists are a coily, playful variation that adds volume and bounce, making them ideal for a fun and carefree look. Adding accessories can elevate these styles even further. Snake braids with beads incorporate beads into the braids, enhancing their artistic and cultural appeal. This addition adds personality and makes the hairstyle more striking, perfect for festivals and special events. In conclusion, braids with snake and crochet designs offer a range of stylish, customization options for women who want to express their individuality through their hair. Whether you're looking for a bold statement or a chic, low-maintenance style, these braiding techniques provide a unique way to showcase your creativity. From intricate snake braids to versatile crochet styles, these hairstyles are perfect for any occasion, adding a touch of flair and beauty to your look. Finally, I'd love you to take your time to watch the video and embrace the amazing styles you like. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Bye!